Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a sequence of reveal videos, which is the most exciting part of doing Shibori. These are originally from my Instagram, and I'm going to put my Instagram handle down in the description so you can go check it out. So let's get into it and enjoy. Hi, so now we're ready to open up this Ichijame equilateral triangle and see how it turned out. Okay. All right. So the green is going to turn blue. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I love the way this one turned out. This one is such a crowd pleaser, and it was such a beautiful dark blue color. All right, so next I'm gonna untie this nail burrito, and I'm gonna just cut the rubber bands. Okay. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna put it down here. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Oh, it's just falling in half. Oh, it's a pillow. That's right. Okay. Awesome. Look at the marks on the side here. That's beautiful. I love the way this one turned out. It's such a pretty organic stripe, and it turned out really pretty with the nice blue. This next one is a pole wrapping pattern, and I used a lot of string, so it takes a little while for it to be taken apart, but I think it's a really fun pattern because it looks like a geode, and it's a very organic, pretty pattern, and it turned out really nice with the blue. So this is a toddler t-shirt that I dyed with the tongue depressors and rubber bands. So I'm going to take it apart now. There's one. Oh, that one was nice and tight. And the green's gonna oxidize to blue. Oh. This stripe is always a crowd pleaser, especially for t-shirts, and I love the hard geometric look of it. So I'm going to open this Shibori today. It is a right triangle folded accordion style, and you can kind of see in there there's like some white in there, and I put 2 rubber bands on each corner, so I'm excited to see how this one turned out. This is a cotton. I think I can just pull these rubber bands off actually. So this is, ooh, nice. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one turned out really nice. It's gonna be really beautiful, either as a pillow or a quilt, a couple quilt pieces. That's great. Oh, it turned out nice. I love this pattern, and it reminds me of a kaleidoscope. This one got a really nice distribution of blue and white, so I really like this pattern. So I'm opening up this Shibori today. It has been folded into long skinny rectangle accordion style, and then I sewed these little stitches really tight in there. So I'm gonna take it apart, and I've never done this before, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. To get them out, I'm going to use a seam ripper carefully, and because I don't want to rip the fabric, that's not worth it. This is a big piece of fabric, so okay. So let's see. I'm gonna just kind of rip. This is a pretty blue dominant pattern, which is good for me because I'm saving up patterns to make a nice quilt or wall hanging, and I like to have various patterns. Ooh, pretty. It's like that war shark patterns. Pretty. And then it'll fade too once I wash it. So that's the next step. I'm gonna go wash this. This pattern is just so organic and cool looking, and it kind of challenges the imagination, which I love. One tip I would say is be sure to sew super duper tight, and when you dip it super fast so that it doesn't get completely all dyed. So I'm going to open this Shibori today. It's been folded accordion style into squares, and then I took tongue depressors and clamped them with these clamps. So I think it's going to be like a diamond pattern. Let's see. Curious to see. Yeah, nice resist there. Good contrast. And this is a cotton. Oh, nice. So you can kind of see the diamonds more on the outside. So whatever is like closest to the outside is what gets the most dye. And then on the inside, often there's more white. That one turned out really nice. This diamond pattern is really cool, and if you wanted to have more blue, you just have to submerge it a little longer, which maybe I would do next time, but I think that it looks really light and airy and pretty. So that concludes the reveal reel for today, and thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos for tutorials and other dyeing DIYs.